One of the other dishes that we wanted to show you the versatility of our patty, is making a pizza. A pizza you can make, we use a flatbread crust. You can use a tortilla, you can use any frozen dough that you have. And we use the same ingredients that we had for our vegan skillet. Take a little marinara. First, you put the marinara down on the pizza crust. Flatten that out. Take a little bit of mushroom, and you put the mushroom down as well. And flatten that out, making it to the edge. Take a little bit of caramelized onions. You'll add a little bit of caramelized onions. And try to get to the edge so it, looks like we know what we're doing. Right? And then take a little bit of spinach. A little spinach. Put it down on the dough. Then you're going to take your patty from the pan or from the oven, and you're just going to break it up into little pieces and put it on like you would, chicken or steak or sausage or anything like that. And this is a cooked patty that was in the oven for about 8 to 12 minutes. And this dough is a little bit small for this is the 5.1 ounce that I'm using. And there we have the dough. And then you just take a little bit of cheese, and vegan cheese or regular cheese, and just put it over the top to give it a little bit of a finish. And out of the oven, I put a little parsley and just a little bit of green onion over the top of it. And there you have it. It's a pizza with the vegetarian patty.